All right, here we go, boys. Opening morning. Heading up the trailhead now. Got up at 3 o'clock for this one. Wanted to be the first ones in here. And we were. Saw a couple other rigs on the way in, but not too many. I mean, we got up around 3 o'clock, so. We had a bull in here a few days ago. And decent little 5-point. So, I know there's a lot of bulls in here, so should be a good day. Getting ready to head in.
I'm pumped.
Ready to kill one?
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go.
But I could have shot him at.
Dude, that long butt, baby. Just called in a herd with a bull in it. The wind shifted. It was a perfect setup. Thermals were coming up, but we got some, all of a sudden the wind starts blowing from the east. Dang it. Dude, good job. That thing was, did you see him?
No.
Oh, he was a good bull. He had to lower his head to go under trees. He was a good bull.
I only saw his butt running off.
Yeah, he didn't wind us or nothing. And you stopped him with that call.
I know. I saw him stop, but his head was behind a tree. I couldn't see his horns.
It was good.
He was a good bull.
I couldn't tell. I just saw width and length. He was a good bull, yeah.
And he was coming back into you, kind of?
Yeah, he was, no, he wasn't coming back in. I just wanted to call in case he trotted up here and hung out. And
When did you see him?
right when we heard him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was lowering his head back to go under trees and running through there. And then you called and he just stopped dead in his tracks.
Yeah.
And then he started kind of trotting, but he never winded
I
us.
thought he came like this way a little bit.
No, he was bedded. Oh yeah, he did. He came right up here. Yeah. Yeah. So I think this is a great spot. We've called in, well, we saw a herd of elk when we first got in here, called in another herd of 4 or 5 that we saw with 2 little bulls. And then we just jumped that big bull out of his bed. So I'm thinking we'll be back in here in the morning probably.
Yeah, what's up with it? Do it cause I love it and I stuck with it. We ain't with the subbing in the cut with it. Please none of the talks, I heard enough of it. Like,
Found some elk again this morning, but no way to make a play on them. So we're gonna go try some wallows where we got a tree stand and a camera. Haven't been in there for like, what, 4 days? 5 days? So pretty optimistic. Here we go.
On a crossway, driving down Cross Bay, out town Barclays, really on big things, came up a small way, championship rings, baby, that's a ball game. Oh yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh. Forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better.
So yesterday evening we called in a 5-point in here and Ashton jumped probably 4 or 5 elk and almost almost got a shot at another one. So we're thinking they're about up to their bedding area. This is about perfect time. Here we go. Nothing on this first call set, so we'll go try another. There's a lot of bulls in here. We are making our way to a meadow with a wallow in it. And we are going through the maze of destruction. It is freaking annoying. But that's what you gotta do, I guess. So we're real confident about this spot. We're gonna put an elk down today, aren't we, dude? Heck yeah. Or a bear. There's 2 big bears in here too, so I don't care what we shoot. We're just having fun archery hunting, doing what we love. It's been awesome. We've been into elk every morning, every evening. And it's gonna continue. We're gonna go kill a giant. Here we go. Hey, quick, there's something coming. Give me that burrito. So, I shot a bear. He was about 25 yards. Right on a wallow. Perfect shot, I thought. We couldn't find blood forever. Finally, we just saw blood. So we're gonna start our tracker and try to find him. He is the biggest, most beautiful bear. Well, I can't say he's huge, but he looked huge. And he had jet black with a big, huge white patch. So we're gonna go try to find him. Wish us luck. Look at that coat, dude. Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go again. Heading up to a ridge where about 5-6 days ago we called in. We saw 2 herds, called in one of them, and then we were playing with a big bull. So it rained for 2 days straight, and now it's let up. So we're pretty pumped. You ready, dude?
Heck yeah.
Here we go. We're gonna go kill one. Tonight's the night. So as soon as we get up here, we saw a perfect opportunity for a setup, and we're calling from way back there, and a cow walks right by him, but he can't draw, and he looks up, and there's 2 bulls up there standing, and they didn't see him. She went clear around him and got his wind, but
We're like 8 or 9 cows and 2 bulls at least.
yeah, and they walked right by you.
I know, like 15, 20 yards.
Crap. Yeah, we're gonna get in below them because the thermals are going down, and hopefully they'll come back in. I mean, she winded us, but those bulls, I don't know. We'll make a plan. Yeah, so I think this is a perfect place to do a call set. I think they're down here's water in like 4 spots, and their bedding's right up in there. So I honestly think we can call it in right here into this little meadow. So let's set up and give it a go. I'm shaking. I might have just shot a pretty big satellite bull. I mean, we saw a 7x8 earlier. He was at 83 yards, and he was so huge. He was biggest bull I've ever seen, maybe, right in there. Yeah, that was an 80-yard shot, and pretty sure I nailed him, but I'm not positive. We'll see. Oh, there's my first arrow, dude. Oh my gosh. It went all the way through him. Look at the blood.
I just heard. Did you just hear that down there?
Death moan or what?
No, freaking another bull.
Really? That's the big boy, because this one wasn't the big one. No, how big was this one?
Small 6-point.
Okay, he was a 6-point.
5-point, but he barely split into 6.
Yeah, he wasn't that big. He's not a herd bull. Dude, that first arrow, I knew it.
You hit him on the second one.
I shot for 60. Well, I held my 60 pin a little high. That's what I did, on the top of his back, because that's 55. That tree.
He's bleeding right away.
Yeah. I hit him that second shot too.
Yeah, 100%.
I mean, he was 60, then 80, and I think I hit him both times. You did so good at stopping him, dude.
That's what I was trying to do.
Dude, you rock.
I was trying at him for like 2 minutes also.
It was so awesome.
But I could have shot him at 60, and then I look over and you're just drawn and set, and then I just like, meow.
Look at this. Hey. All right, let's go track him. Dude, that's long blood, baby. That's long blood, baby. Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's done.
He's dead. He's dead, boy. When I was drawing on him, he just needed to step right up here. Where did he go from there?
He must have jumped this long.
Oh, I thought he went down.
Okay, here we go. We finally found blood. Like 100 yards later. Pretty good blood. Yeah. So, now that we found blood, dude, I think we just wait here for a minute. Yeah, let's just wait. Should we go get your bag? Good. So, we're tracking blood for like 200 yards. And we just heard something. So, we're gonna sit here for like an hour. It's good blood. It's gone away a little bit, but gosh, there was long blood. Big pile of bubbly blood. So, this is frustrating. So, we'll sit here, we'll see what happens. No, he's looking away. I'm on him. He's looking now. Is he looking at me? No. Just a little. He's looking at us. He's going down. Like directly. Shooting too low on him? No. What? He's dead.
Good job, guys.
Oh, are you kidding me? Good job. So awesome. Oh, no, he's dead. Huh?
Where's a little bluegrass?
Is that?
I thought I seen something.
Do you hear him? I heard it in the second.
That's the thing that sucks.
I know. Not on it, This is brutal.
Is that one of your first shots?
Might have been. Had to have
It's
been.
coming out.
Oh, is it? Oh my god. Just a little 6-point, but I love him. He's got mass, doesn't he? A little bit.
Oh, why he finishes. So it looks like one of the shots is kind of by his neck.
Yo.
Okay. I videoed you all the way up here.
Oh, you did? Yeah. Okay. It's already filming, so that's the one that
You shot it, the other. A lot wider for sure.
Why don't you go down there, Ashton, or kneel down and try to get some, you know.
Yeah.
Just if you start going forward, you're not going to be able to catch yourself, so be careful. Don't trip. Like catching a foot is very dangerous.
They're packing out the first load while I stay and finish up. And then they'll come back and we'll pack the rest out.